The Science Doctor app is designed to assist people simplify their weight loss journey and remove the mental fog that can often be a consequence to your lifestyle. When you have the app, you'll discover tons of recipes and be able to eat healthy, fat, and oil-free food. You get access to exciting meal plans with the meats like beef, chicken, and fish, and the vegetarian options as well, are all available to you. There are great and simple ways of tracking your weight, blood sugar, and your blood pressure for positive reinforcement of what is working for you. And there are fun quizzes to make learning easy and enjoyable. Also, there's an opportunity to enjoy chatting privately on this app to a community who are supportive and wish to help or maybe need help with their journey. Connect with people like you who are on the same health page. How do you get the Science Doctor app? It's easy to get the app. Simply purchase the Slim and Sharp Info Pack or the Blood Sugar Mastery course and get full and complete access to the app for free, as it is included in this purchase. Then, you have the opportunity to maintain membership if you are enjoying and receiving the health benefits. It's only $75 to continue yearly. Or you can initially download a free version of the app if you'd like to sample it. You'll also discover available a wide selection of the Science Doctor's fascinating books and courses, as knowledge is always the key or the first step. Gain access to the Science Doctor app with both free and paid versions of the app, whichever suits you, and feel fantastic as you go on this health journey of discovery.
It's about that knowledge of making the nutritional meals and food. I didn't know you could fry food with water, and you're right, it is delicious. For me, it's lack of knowledge, and then it's undoing everything you've learned in my last 36 years of life. I felt great. I had no heaviness in my stomach. I can't feel the gas bubble popping, so I never knew if that was my cysts in my ovaries. I haven't had the pelvic pain. I'm due for my period actually, and I have no sense of pain, back pain. What I have noticed is that my skin did clear up and I haven't felt that heaviness or that sluggish feeling in my body. That's probably the biggest difference for me. I didn't feel as hot and my chest didn't feel as tight with my heartbeat. From what you've told me, I love the shopping list. I love the recipes in the meal planner. I love the idea of having everything available to me on hand. And I know where the source is coming from. It's trustworthy. I can also implement it for my whole family.
You hear so many different bits of advice and stories from so many different people. Who do you believe and where do you go? Until you physically take on board and do it yourself, or you see someone with dramatic changes, then you know you're on the right track.
A lot of the knowledge in there, if you apply it from my experience, you'll see results. I feel like I'm able to access more parts of my body and I feel safer in my body. I feel like my mind is clearer as well as feeling healthier in my body, and it's simple. I've upped my intake on exercise because I feel much healthier, I have more energy. It's created this positive flywheel now that I can do more. I've noticed over the last 2 weeks that I've just started getting quite vascular. I feel like I'm kind of returning to that peak state when I was in my early 20s, where I felt really strong, muscly, except that was coming from a place where I had to train really hard, but it wasn't addressing the underlying symptoms. And now that I'm actually addressing those problems through the Blood Sugar Mastery course, I'm getting back to that state just by eating clean and applying the information as well.
Hi, I just want to talk to you about the new Science Doctor app and how amazing it is. I've done the courses in there. They're very easy to understand and comprehend. They're all done in layman's terms, so you can actually absorb all the knowledge that you learn. There's a lot of recipes in there that are amazing. That's helped my health tremendously. I think you should get the app, get reading, and get healthy.
I love the Science Doctor app because you can plan your meals. There's some wonderful recipes and also gives you a way of building your shopping list. So that makes it much easier to get your groceries and whatever you need. The quizzes are wonderful and just the whole presentation is very easy to use and very practical.